Welcome to the fire station's Emergency Response Center. I'm Firefighter Kiki. There is a call for help. There is an emergency call for help. Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire. Firefighter Kiki sets off. Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. There is thick smoke inside the house. The person trapped needs a wet towel. Drag the towel to the trapped person. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire.